Hello to all. I hope you all are doing great. Now, in this video, I want to show you how to use Google Docs for completing your assignment. Please, I want to take a little time to repeat that. Do not come to the training center today, right? For reasons best known to us. Okay. So, if you want to use Google Docs in your phone to type your assignment, first thing you need to do is just head up to Play Store. Um, Play Store. Once you get to Play Store like this, I'm sure everybody has Play Store in an Android phone. Now you will be needed to log into Play Store with an email. Make sure you have an active email in your phone. So all you need to type is just type Google Docs. Google Docs. Google Docs is a software that looks like Microsoft Office, which you can use for typing whatever you want to type. Okay. So once you click on it, I already have Google Docs in my phone. That's why it's showing me updates and I don't want to update it. So if you don't have it, it will show you install, alright? It's going to show you install. Then you click on this button and the install is going to be located on the right side of your screen. Just like the way my update is being located. The place my update is located. Alright. You click on it and do what? It's going to install. Alright. After it has finished installing, to show you open. Alright, this my update to turn to open, but I'm not going to update it. Mine is showing updates because I already have Google Docs installed in my phone. Okay, is it clear? But yours, if you don't have it in your phone, it will be showing you install. Alright, so let's get back to how to use Google Docs. Okay, what you need to do once it has installed, just go to your phone. It's going to appear like this. Can you see this place? After this called docs, then download. So it's going to appear like docs, right? So you just click on it. Once you click on it, if this is your first time of installing it, to ask you to sign in with email. Okay, then you just sign it with any email you want to sign in with. Okay, so the next important thing is how to make use of it to type your whatever I want to type. Sorry, mine is still loading. Let it finish loading. Alright, I won't be able to wait for that. So if you want to use it to type, can you see this plus sign button at the downside of your screen? The plus sign, you just click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see new word file, new docs file. So you want to type a new word file, okay? So you click on new word file. Okay, that's fine. I thought it's a network issue. So then from here now you can type whatever you want to type as part of your assignment. Okay. Now let me say I am in Obong. I just want to show you how you can use this Google Docs to type your assignment. I am in Obong Emmanuel. I am a participant. Okay, if I didn't spell that well, I think I'm just trying to show you how to use it to type. So make sure you also check for spelling errors or ping. I am here to teach you how to use Google Docs. Simple. Okay. If you like, you can give paragraph in what you're typing, but after you're done, the aim is saving this as a file and also bringing it to your system to copy it to the system. Is it clear? That's just the aim. Since you would not be permitted to come today. Alright. Let me say I am done typing this. Can you see this tick sign on the top left part of my screen? The tick sign, you click on it. Once you click on it, it will show you unsaved changes. Save. That is if you have finished typing. Okay, so you click on save After you've clicked on save, make sure you're saving to device, not Google Drive. Google Drive is just like an online space, okay, in the cloud where you save your files. So if you save it as you save it to Google Drive, when you want to download it, when you want to make use of or copy it to your system, it will be asking you to download. Okay, so I would advise click on your device, let it save to your device so that you know where it's being saved at. Then you click on save. All right. Then after you've clicked on save, let's see what happens next. Yes, you can choose to. Oh, let me see. I want to save this as my assignments. You can change this thing my assignment. Then you click on save. Make sure look at where it's saving. It's saving in downloads my assignment. Okay, so that when you want to find it, just go to the downloads and my assignment. Okay, is it clear? So let me go back there. Downloads. You can see it right here, right? So if you want to copy it to your system, you know how you should copy it with your USB cable. All right. So this is just let me call it an alternative for those who will not be allowed to come into the test to the training center today. Please, it's reasons best known to us. Please do not come to the training center. All right. I'm wishing you guys a wonderful weekend. Do have a nice time and take care of yourself.